What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you how you can earn while you search the web. Now you're not going to be earning a ton of money, but you're going to be earning something that you can redeem as gift card. So while you're searching the web doing your regular thing, while you're searching the web doing your regular stuff, right, you can earn points that can be used to redeem as Amazon gift card, even Roblox. There's a ton of stuff. So I'm going to head over to my laptop now and show you can do all of this. So what you want to do guys is go to rewards.bing.com, right? Now once you're there, you select sign up for free and that's literally it, right? My account is already signed up, so I didn't have to do anything extra. And to be honest, I didn't know when I signed up for this or if it was automatically done, but I realized that from time to time when I use my browser, let me do a regular Bing search. Let me say what is energy, right? I always see these points, but I wasn't sure, so one day I clicked on it, and as you can see as I searched the web just now, my points move. So when I clicked on it, right, and go to dashboard, I realized that I was accumulating points. So it's not that account. Let me sign out of that account. So this is my regular account, right? Right, so I'm now back in my regular account. And that's literally it. Each time you search the web, you'll accumulate points, right? However, there are additional things that you can do to earn points. So if we select points breakdown, it will give you options how you can earn extra points. So when you search from your PC, you'll earn points. When you search from your mobile, you'll earn points, and when you search from the Chrome browser, you'll earn points. So this is where most of my searches come from, because I really use Bing on my phone, right? Also, I use it on my laptop. However, these points are kind of specific, so let me cancel this. So here you have the option to earn if you want to manually go through in your spare time, right? And just select these tasks and you'll earn points. So if I do this right now, try new Bing, my point is currently 13,000. You see it jumped up to 13,119. So I just earned points just by opening the Bing chat. And this is a daily thing, right? And like I said, I didn't really know that I was accumulating these points. So like I said, I didn't know that I was accumulating these points just by searching the web. So what can you do with these points? Now let's go back to rewards and select redeem. Now you can see I can redeem Amazon gift card. So if I select redeem gift card, right? So here I can do like a custom reward. So I could say $6 or say $7, right? And it will show how much points will be utilized when I redeem those points. You also have predefined options, so if I select a $10 gift card, I could easily redeem this. And guys, this is basically earning extra cash that you can use in the future to do something, right? You can also redeem Roblox if you're a gamer, so here you have some Roblox. So let's select this. In order to redeem 100 Roblox, I need 1500 points, so I could easily select redeem to get those points. Now I have up to 1000 Roblox. In order to get the 1000 Roblox, I need 15,000 points. Now let's go back to redeem. And as you can see, you can use your points to redeem a bunch of stuff. So here you can redeem Microsoft gift card, Xbox gift card, Skype credits, a ton of additional things, but just by doing your regular searches. However, the criteria has to be that you are utilizing Microsoft Edge or Bing to do your searches. So that is for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.